Hello everyone, welcome to my visual demonstration for the software development lab, system development lab, and today we are going to see the fifth exercise, and that is the state transition diagrams for an e-commerce application system. So here we are to see the state transition diagrams for different variegated scenarios, and what essentially is a state transition diagram. It is the ones where a diagram consists of transitions and states. So and always an entire transition diagram will always have a start state, or the so-called initial state, and a final state, that is the end. That's how it ends. So all the flow of the control, or each small processes that are occurring are depicted in this so-called state transition diagram. So here that is the one where you can just read the flow of control from start to finish. It is more similar to even the sequence diagram, or the so-called only the sequence diagram so far, as in where the interaction between each subsystem under the other subsystems happen. So that's how it is. So that's what you see in a state transition diagram. So we have certain scenarios that can be shown. The first scenario, as you can see here, is the login page. I'll just magnify this for you for easier view. Here, this is a state transition diagram for a login web page. So here is where it starts, and then the user logs in, and the login is successful. That's right here, after entering his credentials. Then he gets redirected to the shopping page where he can purchase items, and so on and so forth until the end of the entire process. In case now there is another choice, that is where he forgets one of his credentials. Say he forgot his password, but he knows what his username is. So there the flow comes here. He clicks on forgot credentials, enters his email address, and then sends that request to the server or admin. Then he receives an email notification, which is valid for a couple of moments, and because it's disposable, no one's going to reuse it again. He can alter the password the next time he logs in. So again, he's redirected to the login page, and then it's a success. So that was the first scenario. The second scenario is how we select an item to be added into the shopping cart, and make the final purchase. So here is where we start. We select the product, it's added to the shopping cart, and if interested, we proceed to payments. Otherwise, we edit the cart items. We kind of like delete the items from the cart. So maybe all, or one of them, or two of them, or at least one of them. That's how it is. And then finally, if all that is done, we proceed to purchasing, and then finally we make the final purchase, and we complete the entire process. So this is one scenario where we are selecting and purchasing items at the instant. Now here, this is the last scenario I've put in this exercise. That is, we are trying to confirm the items in a shopping cart, like with assisted webflow techniques. So here we have the items in the shopping cart. This is one magnified view of where we are making the final purchase and payment. So here the items are in the shopping cart, and then we are redirected to the billing and shipping address details. We have to check it and edit it if there is any change in the address details. And then we are redirected to the payment gateway. That's where we use our credit card details to make the final purchase, and then finally the purchasing is complete. So that's all in this exercise that you have seen today, and that's all about what a state transition diagram is. I hope you have understood through this visual demonstration the entire exercise of what I've explained just now. Thank you for watching this video.